KHNAM National Awakening Movement KHNAM ha kalai trik naitung kalapan pau kajing sngokya halor kajing pentre kam yaka special intensive revision SIR jongka electoral roll kapadang ya shakman daka ba maham ba kanu kanu kajing kantan watang ya weiru nongthep vote ubadei uriulum trai muluk kanong kababakla shibun Ngilaya shimbenta ha kajingalang kabayadei bat kanika SIR jongka electoral roll Ngila puli benia aru yaki kendon jongka SIR bat hoot ngin penpau ya kajing sngokya kabajur ha kabayadei bat ka SIR lada kadon kajing syak kentat jongki trai muluk ha ka electoral roll ong working president ka KHNAM ubak Thomas Pasa ha kabakut hi kajing pentre kam ya ka SIR kadei kabala pensyong nongrim katkum kathup kerteng thep vote jong snam arajarsan kishemi kijing tip na kajing lum jing tip kabakat do bala penlong ha u arajarsan ong ubak Thomas ula ong ru kanlong ka babakla shibun nada ki brio ki badei ki nong shong shnong trai muluk kajela kin syak kentaj na kathup thep kerteng thep vote hadien bala pendap ya ka SIR Ubak pasa ulapan pauru kajing sngokya halor ki khubor ki bayade ber kajing IT bansam ya ki enumeration form ha ki nong mikmat na ki sengsan perthei dakaba ong kani kamot ba ki riu san perthei ni ki sengsan perthei kila ban pandan kam ya ki nakabenta ki jingo nong san perthei bat ngidani ki jaka ki basham jing e shibun ha kabayade bat ke 18 West Shillong constituency ulaong Kani ka constituency menta kadai ka jaka ha ka bagi nongthep vote ki badai ki trai muluk ki dai ki barit pan bat kumno kila kelarit pan kalong ka ba phalla shibun ha ba phai she ki snam ki balalit no ki riulum ki nong shong shnong ki badai ki trai muluk ki dai ki ba khambun pan ha kadai ka jaka Henry suki ki trai muluk kila kelarit pan ha ka thup kerteng thep vote
Party, we have attended the meeting called by the election department in the state of Meghalaya with respect to the special intensive revision of the electoral roll. We have studied the provision of the SIR also, and of course we would express a big concern. It's not a small concern, a big concern with respect to the SIR. You see, at the end of the day, now the base of this SIR is the electoral roll 2005. That is the base. They are taking data from that electoral roll back in the last SIR, which was conducted in 2005. Now, many people who are genuine resident of the state, especially the Indigenous tribe, it would be wrong if a single Indigenous tribe is left out of the SIR. It will be very, very much wrong. And we have also seen a report just yesterday in the media report that the enumeration form is being given to a politician, which directs that maybe the politician or political party might use it for their political benefits. And we have areas that are very complicated. You see 18 West. 18 West is an area where the Indigenous tribe are the minority voters. And how did they become minorities is very surprising. Now if we go back time, of course, the Indigenous tribe were the majority resident of that area. But slowly, the Indigenous tribe has become minority in the electoral process. So we are very fearful that maybe the Indigenous tribe will be left out of the SIR. And if that happens, it will be a big blow to the governance system or to the political picture in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, we will be sending a letter to the CEO also to request that to ensure that a very proper verification is to be done. And with respect to the electors who are not Indigenous tribe, it is very proven, it is known, if not in document, but most of these voters who are not from the state, they have another epic in their villages also, in their concerned state of residence. They go and vote in UP also, in Bihar also. And when the election comes in Meghalaya, they vote here, which means that they have a dual epic. And dual epic is illegal as per the guidelines of the Election Commission of India. So we have requested that the election department in the state of Meghalaya, while carrying out this SIR, that they should ensure that all these people who are already having epic in the state of their birth state, their name should be deleted from the SIR. And a big, would like to request to all the citizens, especially the indigenous citizen of the state, to please take this SIR process very seriously. Please ensure that your name is included in the SIR final rule. Because if it is not included, it will bring a big difficulty to the generation to come. Maybe when the next SIR will be conducted in the state of Meghalaya. So we will be following up this SIR process in very closely, and any new development we will be writing up to the election department in the state of Meghalaya.